Anshri and welcome back to my channel Fankara. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Holi art using just two products. So Holi painting is a tribal art form coming from the region of Maharashtra. It's a basic level tutorial wherein I'm going to show you how to start with Holi painting. It's just very basic, very easy for people who just want to start with Indian folk art or Holi art to be specific. And yeah, that's it. So let's get into the video.
Products require a white sheet, micron pen and scale. So I'll be using this hot press 200 GSM sheet from Anupam. I would suggest you to use micron pen because it has various nib sizes. I'm using 0.8 for making borders. We'll start with the borders first. So I'm done with the borders. Now I'll start with making a sun. So for that I'm making this spiral kind of design. It's very easy. And for the rays I'll be making this triangular shape and just double the lines. Now adding some tiny details like so. I totally forgot to change the pen. I'm now using 0.5 tip size pen. So you can use a nib size which is smaller for the detailing. That looks much better. Now I'll start with making a coconut tree. So basically in Worli art people used to represent or draw their day-to-day lives on walls or papers etc. with various tools like rice flour or things like this using twigs or stick. I'm making the leaves of the coconut trees. There are various methods to do that. I'm just making leaves and just filling it up. You can use whatever technique you wish to. Now I'm adding some details to the main trunk of the tree. Since this is a basic tutorial, I'll be first showing you how to make human figures in Worli art. So I'll just be making some random humans playing instruments. So I'm making a big dholak here or a drum, as you can see, a tribal drum, and I'm just adding some details, nothing very fancy. Now I'll start with making a male figure. So for that you just have to make a circle and then a flip triangle for the upper portion of the body, and for the hands you just need to draw some lines in that motion and just fill up the body. Now in Worli art both male and female bodies look quite similar. The only difference is in the hair and the upper portion of the body. The upper portion of the female body is comparatively smaller, and yeah, that's it. I'll just be filling it up and leaving some spaces for adding some details in the female body. And some more humans playing different instruments, like this one is playing a small dholak. The size of the humans can vary of course. So while I complete all the human figures, I'm gonna share an interesting story with you guys regarding this Worli art tutorial. So initially I thought that I'll be showing you a full-fledged painting with acrylics and everything, but then I thought that this is a beginner's video and people might not be comfortable using acrylics in the first go. So then I decided to come up with this and just using like pen and paper. So coming back to the tutorial, I'm making another tree because there was just some space left, so I just thought to fill it up. Now I'll just be making two birds. Again, this is a very simple design. So now I'll be using the 0.4 tip pen for the detailing. Don't go by the video, take your own sweet time to finish this portion because detailing is the key. Now I'll be adding some details on the human body for which we had left spaces earlier, and some details on the musical instruments as well. Now I'm adding some details on the tree. Adding some coconuts onto the coconut tree. Some more detailing here and there. And that's it. I'm also using this white pen for making the eyes of the birds. This is an additional step, you can skip this. And this is the complete result. I hope you found the video helpful, and if you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.